What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lakeria, back with another video. Period. And as y'all can see by the title, today I'll be doing my apartment slash townhouse tour at my college. Bitch, I know you fucking lied. It's townhouse tour at my college, the University of Memphis. I stay in Carpenter complex in the townhouse, and basically in the video y'all just gonna see me show y'all what it looks like outside, inside, you know, the rooms, upstairs, all that good stuff, so you guys will know where y'all want to stay when y'all come to the University of Memphis. Started, make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down below and in the description box. And most importantly, follow me on Instagram. I'm on the road to 10K. Get your girl there, support your girl, I support you back, period. Yeah, I'm all looking cute because I'm finna go take pictures. You know, a little something, got the makeup done, looking really, 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 really cute. Oh, and in the video, y'all probably gonna see me in the mirror. Like I said, I'm not gonna look like this. I'm gonna look like what I looked like yesterday because I covered the rooms yesterday, but I didn't get to do the intro, so I'm doing that now since I'm all glammed up, you know what I'm saying? So just don't mind that. Just act like I look like this on the videos in the mirror. My God, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks outside, and it's kind of getting dark, so this is the one I stay at. I'm not gonna show the door on the number, the room number. But yeah, so once you put your card in, you come through the door. That's the door. And then we got the living room. So they had this one like nice and set up when I got here because they was already staying here before I got here. And y'all, that's just so cute. So we got the living room. I got a tree over there. Y'all can see me in the mirror. Okay. And then you got the upstairs. I don't know if nobody up there, but we're gonna go up there in a minute. And then this is the living room and the dining room and the kitchen. Yeah, we had a little game night, so, well, I had a little game night, so yeah. Okay, so we got a table. And then we got a pantry. You got stuff in there. They put some more stuff in there. Got the kitchen. It comes with a dishwasher. And got a lot of cabinets, y'all. A lot. It comes with the refrigerator. And all of these things you have to bring yourself. Like a microwave and stuff like that. It doesn't come with that. And this is mine right here. I just have this shelf right here. So like, yeah, I don't be too much. See, like, yeah, I just don't be too much using the kitchen, but I am gonna cook some shrimp and stuff. And then I just got my pots up there and my sauces. And yeah, the sink. Got some more cabinets. These are my roommates' bottles and stuff like that, so that's cute. And they bought a lot of stuff from home as well. Got an espresso and all of that. The stove, nice. Got cabinets on the bottom. And yeah, that's the kitchen. And so then when you come back into the living room from the kitchen, you got a storage closet over there. And over here we just keep like cleaning supplies and stuff. So yeah, so that's how it looks. I keep my vacuum cleaner in there. That's pretty much the only thing I have in there, my vacuum cleaner. And then from the front room, you can go outside to the patio. You got a patio. And this door, you use your key as well to get in and out. And so this is the patio. And like I said, y'all, it's getting dark. So you just got a patio out here. Really nice. The sun shines well at this one. And then you go out over there, and like the nearest trash can dumpster is right there. And zoom in for y'all. So like I be having to walk over there to throw my trash away. And yeah, these are the other people things that's connected to. Like that's somebody else's front door. Ours is right over here on the other side of this wall, and vice versa. So we come back in. We're gonna go upstairs and then to my room. So let's hope nobody up here. So this is upstairs. Right here you got a storage closet again. Okay, y'all, so we're going back downstairs. Okay, so upstairs it had 3 bedrooms, as you guys saw. And down here is 2 bedrooms. And we have me in room number 1 and my roommate in room number 2. My roommate bought this stand, and like the bottom row is mine, top 2 is hers. That's my bucket for like my hair stuff. I usually keep it in my drawer, but yeah. So look at me. Okay, look at me. There I go. Okay, so then we got the sink. We just got my toothbrush. We got my toothbrush, toothpaste, and I bought this little pink container from Dollar Tree. It was $1. I just put all my facial stuff in there, my toothpaste, makeup wipes. Got the soap. My roommate's toothbrush. She usually keeps most of all her stuff over here, so that's fine. And down here, these cabinets don't open. And then down here, I got like my storage and cleaning supply stuff down here. So I got extra soap, Listerine, cleaning stuff, you know, lady things. And then right here you have the bathroom. Y'all look at this sign, it's so cute. I got this off of SHEIN. It was like $1, literally. And so this is the this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom right here. You go in, you got the toilet. We bought a trash can. And then you just got the shower. They got a section for like the first person stuff in the back. And then a section for the first person stuff in the front. My roommate is gone because it's spring break. But yeah, that's the bathroom. Yeah, the lighting is not good, but that's okay. So we got the bathroom. So this how it looks. Is literally like you come, like it's like we're living by ourselves down here. So it's like you go out the living room and kitchen, boom, into our own little space right here. And now for the room y'all been waiting for, number 1, one and only, never the 2 or the 3 or the 4 or the 5. Okay, y'all, so this is my room. See, y'all, that's very cute. I got it decorated. So when you first walk in, you got a trash can. It says trash on it. I got this rug that I got from Burlington. It was like $70, $80. I got the Juicy Couture rug Juicy Couture blanket from Burlington. I got my bed set from Walmart. I got all of my decoration stuff from home. And yeah, I got my ring light from Amazon. These stickers that's on the wall, I got those from SHEIN. This is a custom made name sticker from Amazon. And so yeah, it's cute. I got my remote on a thumbtack over there. It says Lacuria, she leaves a little glitter wherever she goes, and that's on period. Got the daddy chill sign, you know. Hello, you're looking absolutely stunning today. And I put these cheetah prints all on the wall. And so I got these curtains from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link as much stuff as I can below. But yeah, so the room comes with the bed, this dresser, and that desk. So I bought my own refrigerator, mini refrigerator from home that I got from Walmart. Microwave from Walmart. Like, y'all, this is stuff I just pretty much used from staying in college since my freshman year. All the decorations and stuff are new, but I'm definitely going to use those again. So I got 2 laundry baskets, a square one and then another one. Got that one off of Walmart. I'll keep my towels right there. I bought these pillows. This pillow is a chair cover. It's not really how I wanted it, but as long as it's the colors, I'm good. I got this mat off of Amazon or Walmart. That's my camera charger, my MacBook. I got this pencil case from Walmart. Those blenders over there, sponges from Walmart. I got that piggy bank from SHEIN. I got this beautiful vase from At Home. I got the feathers from off of Amazon. I got a Kaws figure. Got that from Ross. And yeah, this hand thing that I put my rings on, what's to hold your rings and jewelry, from SHEIN. Got that jewelry holder from SHEIN. The lava lamp from Walmart. And you have another window right here, but you gotta find like really tiny curtains to fit that. And like, this is just the room again from this angle. Over there you have the closet. I know y'all ready for to see how much closet space, and you actually got a lot of closet space. So I keep my camera bag right here, my backpack and umbrella. And when you open the closet, boom, y'all, this bigger than some people closets in a regular house. Okay, my closet a little junky, but it's okay. So up top I got half of my shoes. I left a lot at home. I got my heels, tennis shoes. Over here I got this hat rack from SHEIN. I love that. I got these purse holders from SHEIN. I got a lot of purses on there, and I got 2 of them, so that's a lot of purses. Keep my jackets, my robe, and just other new clothes that I haven't worn yet. I keep those over here. I got 6 bucket tubs from Walmart. I got those separated by like Fashion Over clothes, SHEIN clothes, pants, whatever like that. My wigs down there, don't talk about me, y'all. I got some extra stuff over there, and my wig mannequin head right there. And so that's the closet. Okay. And so I forgot to show you, I keep my mirror right here behind the door. I want to hang it up right there, but I don't have time for like stuff falling and stuff. And yeah, some drawers right here, as y'all can see. Let me try to open one up. The drawers are very deep, y'all. Like, my whole hand is in there, so that's a good thing. And over here where I keep my desk at, in this drawer I just keep like games, charger, stuff like that. And this one, I keep all my hair curlers, flat irons, etc. That pink bucket that was out there by the sink, I usually would put that in there. And down here, I just keep my paper plates, spoons, forks, cups. And the desk also comes with a thing when you pull out. So I just got a keyboard and a iPad. And that's it. I got a clock. And when I walk out my room, it's the bathroom. And then my roommates. And we're back to square one. That's my room, and that's basically the tour of a Carpenter townhouse. And